people generally look at e-commerce sites, for example, right? They look at e-commerce sites and the KPI, key performance indicator, right? The metric that they really care about is e-commerce conversion rate, right? To me, that's such a derivative KPI. Like I almost ignore it, right? It's like on my list. I'm the guru of e-commerce, and I'm telling you, don't worry about e-commerce conversion rate. The two metrics that I really, really care about has to do with engagement. So when you build a site up, and I'll ask the question once I establish the context here. The two KPIs I really care about. Number one is bounce rate. Bounce rate tells me if I'm bringing a ton of traffic, am I bringing